unleashing energy. Get up and at 'em in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're diving into an exciting and energetic phrase. Get up and at 'em. This phrase is not just about waking up, but about starting your day with enthusiasm and determination. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and its origins. Get up and at 'em is a colloquial expression often used to motivate someone to start their day actively or to begin an activity with energy. It's like saying, rise and shine, and let's get going with vigor. This phrase is commonly heard in informal settings, such as within families or among friends. The phrase can be broken down into two parts. 1. Get up. This literally means to rise from bed or from a sitting position. However, in this context, it implies starting an activity or beginning to focus on something. 2. And at 'em. This is a shortened form of and at them. It's an idiomatic expression meaning to engage enthusiastically with whatever tasks or challenges are ahead. Let's see how get up and at 'em can be used in different contexts. 1. Personal motivation. I have a lot to accomplish today, so I need to get up and at 'em early. 2. Encouraging others. Come on, team. Get up and at 'em. We have a game to win. 3. In media, you might hear this phrase in movies or TV shows, often used in a light-hearted or motivational context. The origin of get up and at 'em is somewhat unclear, but it's believed to have military roots. It was likely used to energize soldiers, especially in the morning. Over time, it has become a popular expression in everyday English, used to inspire action and enthusiasm. Get up and at 'em is a fun and motivational phrase that's great for starting your day or any activity with a burst of energy. We hope this video helps you understand and use this expression in your daily English conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, every day is a chance to get up and at 'em with your English learning journey.